Now, more recently, I have 4 books that are coming out. This first book, sometimes we call it Volume 0, but the title of it is The Integrating Enterprise Excellence System, an enhanced, unified approach to balanced scorecards, strategic planning, and business improvement. Now, this book describes many of the concepts or many of the issues that we talked about in this session, and obviously it elaborates more on those. So it creates somewhat of a burning platform that people at all levels of the organization can see the challenges and the problems we have current systems, and that there's a need for an improved system. Now, that book leads into a 3-volume series where the first volume is written in a novel format, where you have 4 golfers that are trying to make some improvements into their various businesses. They're having some challenges, and one of the golfers is working to implement an IEE system and later describes the benefits of that system as a whole, and the benefits that not only his organization can achieve, but other organizations as well. So it's an easy read, basically. The Volume 2 is dealing with what I call the enterprise domain system, or define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Nobody really gets into this. Nobody talks about how are we going to look at the business as a whole. How can we go in using many of the tools that we talk about, Lean, Six Sigma, impact the enterprise as a whole. And this is a structured approach that walks through a basic roadmap to accomplish that. So this book is going to be available in the first quarter of 2008. And it's going to be maybe 550 to 600 pages. Then that'll lead to Volume 3. This is a book that's going through process improvement projects through the what I call project to make, or P to make system. And in this book, we truly integrate Lean and Six Sigma tools, and the flow of the book actually follows the roadmap. So it goes into really the details of implementing and executing a project, and but the techniques that are described there also apply to the various aspects of the business as a whole, as was described in Volume 2. This book was going to be about 1,300 pages. So implementing Six Sigma was almost 1,200 pages, so this is going to be a little bit bigger than that book that's currently available. And that should be also available in the first quarter of 2008.